Alright, that's JW for Jeep Monkey. As you can see outside, I haven't been able to do any Jeep videos. I have worked on the roof rack a little bit, but other than that, all this snow is getting in the way. So, I've been working on the Jeep Monkey garage. I installed these upper cabinets, but I haven't put the lower ones in yet because I wanted to get the electrical done, but I needed the upper cabinets in so I knew about where I wanted to put the outlets. So as you can see here, it's coming out. You might be wondering why I have the walls open like this. Well, the board I'm going to use for the top is, actually it's right over here. Pardon the mess. Right here. So the cabinets have a depth of 24 inches. This is at 23¼ inches. So I'm hoping that the drywall difference will at least make up for some of that. So I'll install the cabinets directly into the studs. But anyways, so I'm having these two outlets. Both of them are under GFI, both 20 amp service. I've got 1, 2, 3 pairs of double outlets, 2-gang outlets, which I put into 2 different sides, so they're on 2 different circuits in the box over here. So circuit A, which is this one, goes to this, and then this. So as you can see, I got 2 light switches, and I've already got the underneath cabinet set in place. I just wanted to see how it worked. And then this is for a future light, for the shop light I'm going to put up here. Now how I'm doing that is I put a plug in here that's connected to those switches. So the bottom one goes to the left switch and the top one goes to the right switch. Had my brother-in-law come over. He's a licensed electrician, so just wanted him to check over my work, make sure it works, and they all test out good. And he had a look at them. Next part is I'm going to start, I've already started this, putting just a small layer of spackling, I think, on it. Just because when I paint it, I don't want to paint it directly to the paper of the drywall. Yeah, so go ahead and like and subscribe. I got a lot of things that I'm wanting to do here. So I already bought the paint and we're just ready to go.